ask the Minister for Roads and Highways what steps are being taken to continue the construction of the road from Akalove through Gamenu to Hawi.
Honorable Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the Akalau to Gamenu to Hawi feeder road, measuring a distance of 4 kilometers, is part of the Lolito to Galuche to Hawi feeder road, which is 22.7 kilometers long. It is located in the South Tongue district of the Volta region. Mr. Speaker, the section from Lolito to Amedomikope, which is 17.20 kilometers, has gravel surface and is in fair condition. The next section from Amedomikope to the outskirts of Akalau town, which is 1.5 kilometers, is bituminous surface and in good condition. The third section, which starts from the outskirts of Akalau town through Akalau to Hawi, is 4 kilometers and has gravel surface in poor condition. Currently, Mr. Speaker, there is no rehabilitation or upgrading program on the road. But while we move into the future, Mr. Speaker, the engineering design studies and cost estimates for the upgrading of the road to bituminous surface will be completed by the end of the third quarter of 2020. Thereafter, the procurement and execution of the works will be considered under the Department of Federal Roads 2021 budget. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
To the minister's answer, he said at a point that the section from Lolito to Amedomekope, which is 17.2 kilometers, has gravel surface in fair condition. And I want to say it is really not currently when it is raining heavily. And also, the Akalo, where the third section, which starts from the outskirts of Akalove town through Akalove to Hawi, is 4 kilometers and has gravel surface in poor condition. You are right in that, and it's becoming very challenging using it. Will you consider, at least whilst we are waiting for the future program, some remedial works to, as it were, enable some easiness in the use of those sections of the road currently?
Honorable Minister, a question, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, in the first place, I never said the road between Amedome, Kope, and Lolito, covering a distance of 17.2 kilometers, is in a good condition. I said it's in a fair condition. Yes. Mr. Speaker, there are 3 conditions of road, and any road lying anywhere will satisfy for one of the 3. The road may technically be considered as good or as fair or as poor. I am happy that you have confirmed when I said that the stretch at the outskirts of Akalove is in poor condition. If you take the entire stretch of the road, you have a portion in a fair condition, the rest are in poor condition. And I've indicated in my answer that we have carried out engineering studies on the entire stretch, because the vision for this road is that we should bring the entire stretch to bituminous level, and it's being considered, and we hope to go through the procurement processes before the close of the year so that by next year, it will be captured in the 2021 budget. So you can be sure, my honorable colleague, that from January, immediately after the new government of New Patriotic Party is sworn in, this might be the first project that will begin the year. I thank you. And the media remedial work now is ongoing, is part of the normal work that we carry out, the routine maintenance on such roads. And you can be assured that it will be captured under that maintenance program. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.